Before we get into the cancer stuff more, I just want to give people a bit of a picture on glucose versus fructose metabolism under normal conditions. So, glucose and fructose, two forms of simple sugar. What are the key differences there in terms of how cells use these forms of sugar for energy?
Yeah, great question. So fructose and glucose are structural isomers. So what that means is that if you looked at their components, they're exactly the same. They have the exact same collection of atoms. The only difference is that the atoms are positioned in slightly different ways, which is why fructose is different than glucose. Um, as you point out, glucose is we know is key to our physiology. Um, if you think about something like diabetes, hyperglycemia, hypoglycemia, when you go to the doctor, they don't measure fructose, measure glucose levels. We regulate glucose levels with extreme amount of, it's exquisitely controlled. We keep glucose levels in certain ranges. And if you don't do that, your body it's bad. You end up with all kinds of different diseases. It's damaging. Glucose comes from the food. Fructose can also come from the food. In fact, increasingly so.
Mm-hmm.
And that whole history there is interesting, because one of the questions that I think is really important, and maybe I'll let you decide if you want to go down that path, but why this trend is happening.
Yeah.
But we've started to consume more and more fructose really over the last 40 years. It's gone up quite a bit. And it's been used in many ways as a replacement of glucose.